besties, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be reviewing the Coco and Eve hair mask and the hair elixir, an honest review. So let's go ahead with this video. So the first is the Coco and Eve Like a Virgin, the coconut and fig hair mask. It's a mouthful. It's supposed to get your hair back to its pure virgin state, nourish damaged hair, helps improve shine and texture, hydrates and target frizz. Now it doesn't really smell too much of like a coconut. It has like a lingering scent and I think it smells really like sweet and florally. I only take a small amount of this and apply it throughout my hair. It has a lot of emollients like fig extract, coconut and shea butter, and so I really enjoy using this. It makes my hair feel so soft. I actually ended up using it today. It really feels like my virgin hair, and especially because I literally have my bleached hair and my virgin hair side by side. There is no difference in the way it feels. It feels so soft. So I only wash my hair about 2 or 3 times a week, and so I'm always using some type of hair mask every week because my bleached ends need it. I think if you had regular virgin hair, I think using it just once a week would be totally fine, or using it like once every other week, simply because it is so hydrating. So the direction states to use this on wet hair and to leave it on for 10 minutes, but I actually don't like to use it for the full 10 minutes. I only like to leave it on for 5 minutes, and that's because the first time around I used it, the fragrance just lingered and stayed on my hair for so long that I really hated it and I got like a migraine, I'll be honest. The thing is, I used to use Bath & Body Works candles when I was in high school, and I really wasn't that sensitive to scents. I'm not really sure what happened the past couple years, but I can no longer use any of my candles because they are just so overpowering. And so with this fragrance, with the Coco and Eve, it's just so potent that leaving it on for the full 10 minutes, it's so irritating to my nose. I did see a difference when I left it on for 10 minutes and for the 5 minutes. The 10 minutes, it was definitely had more of a slip, like it felt a little bit more hydrating, but the 5 minutes, it's definitely fine. It still feels really amazing and nourished on my hair, and so I really like that. And so I do think that this hair mask works. The funny thing is, I do have the microfiber towel, but I actually lost it. I am so bad with keeping things on track. So what I really like about the end is that it does have a hook, like a little button at the end, and so it's just really secured in your hair. So after showering, I do my skincare and body care, and especially because after using a hair mask as well, you really don't want those oils on your back, especially if you are prone to back acne, because that will really trigger or irritate it because of all of the oils. So just keep that in mind. Regardless, you can use any microfiber towel, but I do really like the one that they did give me. So this is the Coco and Eve Tangle Tamer. Now I really like this because of how small and compact it is. So I really like this brush. I feel like it really does get all of my tangles out, especially because I have bleached hair. They really like to tangle up a lot, so I really like carrying this, especially for like on the go. Not like I'm going anywhere, but if the off chance I do, I like how small and convenient it is. Instead of carrying a whole entire brush, you can just carry a cute small egg shaped one. Last up is the Coco and Eve Like a Virgin hair elixir. Now you can use this in multiple ways. This is a styling serum, hydrating hair protector all in one, or a style finisher, or a heat protectant. I never tried this as a heat protector because I only really blow dry my hair. I don't really style it too often with a curler or anything of the sort, but as an oil, that would definitely help protect it. And so how I like to use it is a style finisher. So today I ended up using the hair mask and then the hair finisher, and my hair just looks super sleek. It gives that extra sleekness in your hair. So I really do like this product a lot because this is able to really seal in the hydration into my hair after the hair mask and the hair elixir. Because a really key thing, like, this isn't inclusive, it will hydrate your hair, but I feel like the Coco and Eve using the hair elixir just really helps seal it in. This will just give you even more shine that the mask did not give you. It will just give you such a nice sleek look, which I absolutely love. So for my final thoughts on Coco and Eve, I think they're a win in my book. If you're looking for a hair mask, you need this, especially if you have bleached hair. You need to be doing a moisturizing hair mask every week, and I'm really bad with that, but ever since getting this, I've been so excited to use it every single time because it smells amazing. If you don't want a hair mask, I think regardless, the Coco and Eve Like a Virgin hair elixir, I think this one would be amazing because it's kind of like a 3-in-1. I simply just don't really curl my hair as often or straighten it, so I feel like I won't get too much use out of this. But using it as a finisher is my favorite way, or just rehydrating my hair after a couple days, because your hair will just naturally lose moisture just like your skin, you do need to like continuously to hydrate your hair, and so I do like to just hydrate my hair every other day. These two are definitely my favorite products that I did get. So that was it for this review. I hope that it was helpful. I've seen Coco and Eve everywhere. Now I know why. They are amazing. Absolutely love them so much. So if you guys want to try out these products for yourself, definitely use my link and coupon code down below to save you some money. I got you, besties. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.